everyone, welcome back to the Azure DevOps course. In today's video, we are diving into an essential aspects of managing your Azure DevOps project, setting up billing. So, if you are managing multiple projects or working with a team, so knowing how to set up a billing correctly is crucial. So, let's get started. So, this is the Azure DevOps FAQ page where we can see free trial user billing overview. Okay, so when we click on this setup billing, we can view all the Azure DevOps plans for this Azure DevOps billing. Okay, so here also you can see the process of setup billing in Azure DevOps. Okay, you can access all the details related to Azure DevOps billing from this page. Okay, now you will notice the buy parallel jobs. So click on that and you will find the information about what parallel jobs are and how much they cost. This should help you understanding everything you need to know about parallel jobs. So next, let's see the demo on how to set up billing in Azure. So open your Azure account and click on organization setting. Where you will see the option to set up billing. Okay, so it is now loading. Now click on the setup billing. Here you can see various billing options. I have already added a pay as you go. You can also add another subscription if needed. So now you all know about billing in Azure DevOps. So thank you for the watching the video, and I will see you soon in the next one.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.